This video is to demonstrate to you the different types of ear tips and ear hooks and how to assemble your Stealth Elite Bluetooth earbud. So you take the earbud and you're going to assemble both an ear hook and one of either the foam tips or the silicone tips. You have 3 different sizes of silicone tips. These are used primarily if you're listening to music or talking on the telephone, but are not providing a great level of sound attenuation. For more noise attenuation, you would use the proper fitting foam ear tip. And for security purposes, you add on one of the ear hooks properly sized for the fleshy portion of your ear. Some people prefer to wear the Stealth Elite without one of the ear hooks. Everybody has different size and shapes ears, so you need to find something that's going to work for you. You may have to experiment a little. To assemble the product, you take either the left or right ear hook of the size that you think is going to fit your ear. This ear hook is curved slightly to make it a left or right. With the earbud facing up with the post facing upward, you simply take the larger ring, place it over the top of the gold portion, and in this particular case, this would be a right ear hook because it's curving towards the post, curving towards the inner portion of your ear. You then select the appropriate size tip, either silicone or foam, and slide it onto the post. These are unique sized ear tips for the Stealth Elite. Ear tips are not universal between different manufacturers. Some may fit, but in most cases you'll want to buy any type of replacement tips directly from Pro Ears. When wearing the Stealth Elite, you want to make sure you're using the largest tip possible to fit comfortably yet fully into the ear canal. If it does not fit fully into the canal, you won't be getting the full level of sound attenuation and it won't feel as secure. Some people find that it actually fits more deeply into the canal. It will sit more securely without the ear hook. So you're going to want to experiment with proper size ear hooks. Proper size, the largest that will fit of one of the 2 types of ear tips. But the most important thing for giving you the level of protection is that when you put the Stealth Elite into your ear, it is fully inserted with the foam completely inside the ear canal.